Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have baby clothes to hang, you know that you need to have little baby hangers, and why not make them super cute like these? These baby hangers are from Dreamone, and I just love the little logo in the middle with the little peace sign. I love the neutral color that it has, and the blue on the shoulders is so cute. These are also very different from any other baby hangers you might have seen before because they are adjustable. You can adjust these to grow with your baby as their clothes gets bigger too. Here's a closer look at the hangers. They're made out of a really nice sturdy plastic material that is not going to break easily. It's going to last you a really long time. And you also have these non-slip extenders that you can just pull off if you're not interested in using them, but you can also just adjust them to different sizes as the baby clothes gets more into toddler clothes just as it gets bigger. But you can see here how well it fits a newborn onesie, the hanger on the smallest setting, and then a bigger shirt on a different setting. Super versatile, and they fit great in the closet. So if you're in the market for some baby hangers, definitely check out these from Dreamone. You're going to love them. They're great quality, they're versatile, they grow with your child, they're going to last you a really long time, and that's my point of view.